Morning students. Today we are going to do chapter 9 articles. What are articles? A and the are called articles. Why we use this and where we use this? We use it to point out people or things. People or thing means you can say noun. Okay. So before the noun we use article a and the to point out them. So first off we will talk about the article a, where we use it and how. It is used for singular noun. A is used for singular noun before a singular noun. It is used when person or thing is not particular. It means बच्चे like their noun is their tree. Okay, but their about tree not any clear is there which tree. Okay, I can see our tree, but we are not clear that what which tree. The tree is not particular. Then we can say a tree when the thing is not clear or particular. It is indefinite article. So because here it is not clear, this noun is not so clear, this noun is not so particular, so that's why this is called indefinite article. It is used with words which begin with the consonant sounds. As you know बच्चे, there are alphabet 26 letters are there in alphabet. 5 are there vowel A, E, I, O, U, and the rest of them like B, C, D, F, G, they all are called consonants. So बच्चे article we use only with sounds of noun which they are starting. So with the sounds of consonant we use a. Okay. Second is there an. It is used for singular noun. Okay, same singular noun. It is used when person or thing is not particular, that is also same. It is indefinite article, same. It is used when the word begins with vowel sound, that is a change. Other all points are clear, same, but a is used with the consonant sound and an is used with vowel sound. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 vowels are there. With these sounds, not the letter, the sound of these letters, we use N. Okay, but बच्चे we consider only sound of A, E, I, O. We are not taking the U sound. Like when U sound start with Y double O U, we speak the U. In this बच्चे U sound starting with Y and Y is a consonant. Okay, so the letter which start, the words which start with the sound of Y, the words which start with the sound of Y, there we use A. Like बच्चे unique. In this you can say this word unique starting with U sound. So we will use here A. But umbrella in this U is there. Umbrella it is starting with the sound of umbrella. Here we will use an. Correct this? So we will see the sound of A, E, I, O. Only these sounds we will consider. Next बच्चे like honest. We can say in honest H is silent. What we speak it? Honest. H is silent. So बच्चे with O what we will use? An honest. Clear this? Next बच्चे the uses of the. Now बच्चे the. It is used when the person or things are particular. Particular means when we know what about the noun we are talking. Like I am saying the book lying on the table. Okay, the book, you can say a book lying on the table. But now you know a book is there, any book is there, but you know about the table, which table about you are talking, then we will become the. But which book is there lying on the table, that we don't know. Okay, so here the table, we know about which table we are talking. Okay, so the will come. When we know about which book we are talking, then A will come. A book is lying on a table. A book is lying on the table. बच्चे, because in this person or thing are particular, so we use here, we called it definite article. Then बच्चे, it is used with names of mountain ranges, names of ocean and sea, names of rivers, name of famous monuments, name of carriers, like the Everest, okay, the Indian Oceans, the Ganga River, the Red Fort. Carriers means the transport transports vehicles which take the person to one place to other place, like the Shatabdi Express. Okay, and बच्चे with the superlative degree like tallest. So with the tallest we also use the. With the superlative degree, before the superlative degree we use the. And बच्चे with the common noun when they represent the whole country, like leopard. Leopard is a common noun, but when we speak the same thing that is follow for the all leopard, like we are saying the leopard can climb a tree. This sentence we spoke for the all leopard, that all leopard can climb a tree. So this is telling about the whole class. So with leopard we will use here the. Okay बच्चे, so this chapter is completed. Thanks for watching.